everyone. I'm Dan Janka, President of Mazak Corporation, and I'm here with you today standing in our iSmart factory located in Florence, Kentucky. I'm excited to announce the partnership of the HEH Group with the Mazak Corporation and welcome them into Team Mazak. The HEH Group, which is comprised of Motch Eichele and Crotts Saunders, was a perfect marriage with the Mazak Corporation. Motch Eichele is located up in northern Ohio, and Crotts Saunders, located down in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, will represent Virginia, the Carolinas, and West Virginia. When we first met with the HEH Group, we were incredibly impressed with the in-depth knowledge they had of the various industries we serve, applications, automation integration, and their commitment to life cycle service of the customer base. We're excited to have the HEH Group joining Team Mazak, and with me here today is Mr. Willie Eichele, President of the HEH Group. Willie, welcome to Mazak.
Thank you, Dan.
Yeah.
It's great to be here. Yes, I come from 30 years of family distribution company. I've always held Mazak in the highest regard in terms of their products and their people and strategy to the market. 12 years ago, my partners and I started the HEH Group with the intentions of building a distribution company, not only with the expertise of technical sales, but as Dan mentioned, in applications, in turnkeys, and especially in service. We are extremely excited to be a part of the Mazak team, and I thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Willie.
Yep.
And welcome to Mazak.
Great to be here.
Great. I'd also like to introduce Mr. Chris Miller. Chris is Vice President and General Manager of the Crotts Saunders Group. And Chris, welcome to Mazak.
Thank you very much, Dan. I've been with Crotts Saunders for 16 years now, and as Willie said, I've always thought extremely highly of Mazak as a company, and are very excited to be able to elevate our customers' experience with their technology, their awareness, and their support in the Carolinas and Virginia. We do that not only on the machine tool side of our business, but also metrology equipment, automation, and service, and look forward to being a big part of the team's success. Thank you.
Thank you, Chris, and welcome. We're so excited. The entire Team Mazak is excited to have the HEH Group as part of our family going forward. We look forward to a long-lasting and fruitful relationship and partnership as we serve all of our customers throughout not only northern Ohio, the Carolinas, Virginia, West Virginia, but throughout all of North America. So welcome, guys, and thank you so much for coming.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you very much.